Home remedies for common cold. Common cold is a viral infection, which is left more when the season changes unexpectedly. There are both summer and winter colds. Common cold can occur in children as well as adults. The usual symptoms of common cold are as follows: loss of sense of taste and smell, nasal congestion and continuous water discharge from nose, irritation of throat, wateriness and redness of the eyes, headaches. Use the following home remedies if the cold is mild, characterized by nasal congestion, throat irritation and watery discharge from eyes and nose. Mix 1 teaspoonful of the ginger juice and honey. Take this mixture at least twice in a day.
Put 1 teaspoonful of turmeric in warm milk. Add some jaggery and have it in morning and evening. This drink relieves the phlegmatic buildup in respiratory tract.
Fluids are great, but warm drinks are soothing and make you comfortable when you have a cold. Medicated hot drinks offer relief for your cough and sore throat symptoms by soothing the inflamed membranes that line your nose and throat. Gargling with salt water is a good way to reduce your cold. The high salt barrier can pull out a lot of fluids from the tissues in your throat. Rest and sleep allows your immune system to recharge. Your immune system can do its job and help you fight this infection naturally. Staying hydrated with lots of fluids can thin your mucus and make it easier for you to drain it from your nose and sinuses. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe our channel to know different kind of home remedies. Click the link given below to see the video which give you all must-have knowledge about home cure for different